Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your almost daily update on Kaspa now. We're covering it again today. It has obviously been very bullish in the last in the last couple of days, and right now it's fairly interesting because it's holding this level at 12.5 and 13 cents, which is our main support level right now. It's a big psychological support level, but it also has the 0.236 FIB, for example, and yeah, I mean, the 16th, so yesterday afternoon, we did spike up towards 15 cents. If you watch my video, the main price target was 15 and 15.5 cents. So we spiked up towards that level, but we haven't hit it yet. So that is still my price target. We did get some news, and that is that Kas would be listed in perpetual futures. Yeah, that has already happened, to be fair. It's the 17th of November, which is today at 2 o'clock at night. So, yeah, that has already happened. It's, yeah, so I wanted to talk about that. And I wanted to, after that, elaborate on that by talking about a possible Kaspa listing on Binance, the main exchange, all right? Because if you take a look at Kaspa right now, it has $230 million in volume. That's super high. Like, that's very attractive to exchanges. So I would actually say, like, first of all, a Binance futures listing is very volatile. All right. So that could go both ways. That doesn't really change my analysis, which was if Kaspa is able to hold 13 and 12.5 cents, it will rally up higher to 15 cents. And then from 15 cents, we will determine whether 17.5 cents is possible. I still think that's the case. Like, Kaspa needs to hold that level at 12.5 cents, and it needs to find some more momentum than just spiking up, and then it could continue. So that doesn't change because of the futures listing, because the other side of it is that Kaspa breaks down below 12.5 cents, and then it is probably over. All right, Kaspa will drop back down to 10 cents and set up some sort of a range. So those are my thoughts in general about Kaspa. I would say it's a bit more likely that we will actually continue to push up, perhaps after some more bearish momentum. So yeah, like I said, futures listing is great. It brings volume and volatility. Doesn't change my thoughts on Kaspa technically. Now, what would change my thoughts is a normal Binance listing. And at this moment, I really see no reason why it would not be listed on Binance. Like, one of the reasons I always felt like it's difficult to be listed on Binance, right? For like a lot of projects, they just pay a lot of money. And the only time when Binance really lists cryptos, like on their normal exchange instead of on futures, because spot really is the best thing to, it's really the main thing to be listed on. So like they barely list tokens, and when they list tokens, like for example, Ordi, that's one of the cryptos they listed, that had huge volume for a while before they listed. All right, and Kaspa right now is at 200 million, so that's great. That's great volume, but it's not been there for that long, right? It just went up there practically 2 days ago. So if it keeps up those levels of volume, I think that Binance listing is coming. For now, and then a spike up to 17.5 cents and 20 cents is expected. For now, I think it's more likely that we'll just stay in this technical situation where Kaspa needs to get some support from 12.5 cents. And if from 12.5 cents, Kaspa gets to 14.5 cents again, it's likely it will get to 15.5 and then potentially 17.5 cents as well. And if it breaks down below 12.5, that's what we'll see in the next 24 hours probably. It will drop down lower, and then this is the local top. So those are my thoughts on both a potential Binance listing for Kaspa and the short-term technicals. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you're interested in my premium group or signals potentially, there will be links down in the description or the pinned comment. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.